Hi guys, I'm Suzanne with Backyard University, here to give some ideas on how to kill poison ivy naturally. First, when you're working with poison ivy, make sure you wear appropriate clothing. This includes long sleeves, pants, and long gloves. Using gloves with a nitrile works well because poison can't penetrate. Our first suggestion is to use a soap solution. This is great because it's safe around your pets and children, and we put together 2 recipes. You can use regular dishwashing soap and water, add a few drops of soap to a spray bottle, and spray on the ivy's leaves. Or use an insecticidal soap directly on the poison ivy. Soap works by sucking out the moisture until it eventually dries off. This should be done around once a week and again after it rains. You'll know it's working when the plant begins to wilt. Another way to get rid of poison ivy is through natural predators. Yes, even poison ivy has predators. While humans react badly to poison ivy, animals do not. Goats in particular love to eat it, and because of their strong stomachs, they actually enjoy it. Just a fun fact, it takes about 60 goats to clear 1 acre of land in just 3 days. Other animals that will eat poison ivy are cows, deer, and rabbits, along with some others you don't want in your yard, like rats and bears. Using boric acid or borax is another way to kill poison ivy, and it's easy to mix up yourself. All you need is around 2 tablespoons of granular or powdered boric acid. Mix it with a gallon and spray it onto the plant's leaves, making sure to get the underside as well. Reapply every few weeks until the ivy is dead. A word of caution. Your soil and surrounding plants can take some boric acid, but you don't want too much or it will kill the plants around it as well. So it's best to use boric acid in areas where you don't want other plants and shrubs. Vinegar will also kill poison ivy, but it's non-selective, so don't use it around plants you wish to keep. Use vinegar full strength and spray directly onto the leaves every few days until the ivy is killed. Salt works the same way as vinegar, and it will kill surrounding plants as well. It will also make your soil infertile for years to come, so don't use it anywhere you want to garden. To mix up a homemade batch, add 1 gallon of water and 1 cup of table salt. Boil until the salt dissolves, place it in a spray bottle or sprayer, and spray the ivy. With a few applications, it should take only a few days for the ivy to wilt. Boiling water is a cheap way of killing poison ivy. Just boil the water and pour it on the plant. You may need a few applications, but it will die. If you want a fast, commercial remedy that won't hurt surrounding plants, try Roundup. It's a one-step easy remedy. There are a few ideas floating around on the internet that we feel are not beneficial. First, don't mow poison ivy. You are only spreading the poison throughout your yard. Second, don't burn it. Burning poison ivy can release poisons into the air that can burn your throat and your lungs, causing serious allergic reaction. If you have any other backyard concerns or questions, feel free to click the link to some of our other videos or check out our website at backyarduniversity.org. We've also supplied links to mentioned products, and don't forget to like and subscribe.